What is Forex? Why is there hype on it anyways? What is the meaning of Forex? Why is everybody trading it? Alright, it's Spiky here, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys a little bit about Forex and why people tend to trade Forex. Forex, what does it mean? Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it is just transferring value from one country's currency to another. That is all. Okay? Forex is done everywhere. It is participated in our daily life. In fact, as at now, you might be trading Forex as we speak and you don't know about it. Anytime you buy or sell anything that is either produced in your country, or it is imported, or it is produced in another person's country or in another country, you are actually engaging in Forex. Well, it might sound very difficult to understand, but that is what it is. Though Forex has been made to look quite flamboyant, and it looks as if only a few set of expertise or people actually trade it. But let me tell you, everybody engaged in Forex in one way or the other, and without them knowing it. So now that begs the question: people trade Forex for a living. All right, you should exchange your value for another value elsewhere. People who, if you have a television at home, or you buying that vehicle automatically means you have actually engaged in Forex, because it's not produced in your country. So you've actually exchanged your value, your money, for the vehicle, the shoes, some expensive clothes you have, and jewelry. So this is the simplest term of Forex. There are 5 categories of people that trade Forex, and you are one of those categories. The first category are those people who attach Forex to a lifestyle. They have seen successful people on social media posting about nice cars, Lamborghinis, and so on. So they want to emulate that lifestyle. Most people fall into this category because who doesn't want to live a very sweet life? What those people don't understand is that what they see on social media is quite different from what is in real life. Yes, these people post their cars, some of them, but minority of them are actually very successful trading Forex. And because of social media, we don't know it. The second category of people are those who are falling into financial problems. Probably they're owing debt, or they actually borrowed a couple of money to start a business which failed, and they thought about the best way they can actually make that money fast. See, Forex will give you an idea that you can actually make money by a snap of finger, especially what we have actually seen in the media these days. When you look at what people do, they just click on buy, and they click on sell, and they make money. And when you see the amount of money they make, especially when you convert it to Naira, which is our currency, you go bonkers, and you feel like, yes, if you can do it, I can do it. And then we fall into that mistake. It is always advisable to never trade Forex if you are owing a debt. Never use a borrowed money to trade Forex. This I cannot stress enough. There are other categories of people who see Forex as a way to alleviate their financial status. Either they are poor, they are not doing well, or they are in the middle class and just want to increase their financial status. You might be in a working class, or maybe you just graduated from school, or you don't have a job at all, or you're actually working a 9 to 5 and you feel like you're looking for a way to just escape. Forex is always the option for that, because it tends to give you the freedom for you to actually make money at a short period of time while still engaged in whatever thing you are doing. You must note that getting financial freedom from Forex takes time, it takes sacrifice, and it takes a lot of discipline. So my best advice is for you to be able to enjoy Forex, trade Forex, and be profitable as a person. You must first look inward and ask yourself, why do you want to trade Forex? Forex is a lifestyle. Forex is a business. Forex is something you do like a businessman, and you grow into it. You don't trade Forex like you want to make money tomorrow. That is called gambling. If you want to do that, open up a gambling website and then throw your money away. But if you want to trade Forex, you need to give it time. You need to learn. You need to control your emotions. You need to be contented. Stop taking motivations from medias when you don't know what is happening in real life. With this, that concludes our episode. But remember, Forex is a journey. Subscribe and like.